One of the biggest concerns homeowners are always telling me is, if I'm about to invest thousands of dollars in foundation repairs, am I going to get that money back when I go to sell? Hey, that's a totally normal question to be asking yourself, especially when you're trying to make smart decisions and investments in your home. What you're really trying to figure out is, does foundation repair really pay off? Or are you just pouring money into something that won't boost your home's value at all? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been fixing and repairing homes here in the Brazos Valley for the past 40 years. We've seen time and time again how foundation repairs can make or break a sale. And when the repairs are done, they really help in the success of actually getting the home to sell, even if they don't directly instantly increase the home's appraisal value. Here's the truth. Foundation repairs aren't going to directly increase your home's value overnight or offer you a huge return on investment like a kitchen remodel could potentially do. If you leave foundation issues unaddressed, that can scare off buyers. They want a home that's strong and sturdy. They don't want to have to buy this thousands of dollars house and then also be purchasing, hey, you need to do thousands of dollars in foundation repairs too. They want to buy something that's sound and that they don't have to worry about. That's why most of the time, if you are going to try and sell your home with foundation problems, they're going to ask you to sell it at a lower price. And that's why most experts are going to tell you that you're probably going to want to fix the foundation before you try and sell. If you don't do the repairs, they're probably going to try and offer you 10 to 30% less than what you've already been asking for the home. Or they may just walk away and not decide to continue with the sale process of the home. In short, foundation repair is not about big flashy upgrades. It's really about protecting what your home is already worth and ensuring a smoother sale. What should you do now? Think of foundation repair as safeguarding your home's value. It's not a luxury upgrade, as we mentioned before, but it's an essential investment that keeps buyers' trust intact. It's not always about earning more. It's about ensuring you're not losing ground when it matters. If you want to dig deeper into what it's like trying to sell your home with foundation problems, we're going to put a link down below in the description that is all about selling a home with foundation problems and the top 5 things to consider. It's going to run you through a lot of the different things that buyers and agents are going to think about and how repairs can help you sell with confidence.